guys, today's video is going to be a Jomar, I think they're just called Jomar Wholesale, Jomar. A Jomar unboxing. I have never ordered from them before. I have seen other people's videos. I know Nicole State had like a really bad experience with them. Me being me, I was very curious to try them for myself. So I looked on the website. They have like different levels of boxes that you can buy. I got a 30-piece box, and it is all American Eagle stuff. American Eagle is like a bread and butter brand. Say that 10 times fast. So yeah, so I don't know, I just went with it. The price was only, I think I paid $70 for it, and I think it said new with tags. I'm not 100% certain. I don't know. Let's just open the box and let's see what we got. Okay, this is the box. It's pretty big. It's kind of heavy. All right. Oh, there's a dead bee inside of my box. I'm glad it's dead, because if it was alive, you would have seen Vanessa jump over this desk. Can you see it right there? Right there, it's a dead bee. I know people are like, save the bees. I'm like, no, I hate bees, I hate them. All right, we have some denim. American Eagle jeans are like one of my favorite jeans ever. They're just so comfortable. These look really tiny though. Yeah, these are a 00. Okay, these are the next level stretch jeans, skinny jeans. These are super comfortable. Okay, so I don't see any tags, so I don't think it's new with tag stuff. So we're gonna look over for flaws, and we're gonna see if their 15% flaw rate is accurate. So this is what they look like. I like selling these, and I like wearing them too. I own so many pairs of American Eagle jeans. It's crazy. They are so friggin' comfortable, seriously. So yeah, this is what they look like. These look to be in really, really good condition actually, but they're super tiny. They're a 00. Next, we have a sweater. This is cute. Oh, I see a flaw. I see a flaw. Can you see that? Oh, there we go. I can just like cut that off, I think. All right, so let's keep track of how many flawed items we have. 1. So this is just a cable knit sweater. It's a size small. It's really, really soft. What is this made out of? Hold on, let me show it to you first. Cute. Is my camera gonna focus? There we go. Yeah, this is really soft. What are you made out of? You are polyester. Really? Ugh, it's really soft though. Really soft polyester. Next, we have a dress. A dress. This is size small. This is cute. Oh, there's like a, okay, ties in the front. Ties in the front. Hold on. Let me try to hold it up. Looks like that. This is cute. Very cute summer dress. Oh, it's got pockets. Right? Where'd it go? Yes, pockets. Everyone loves dresses with pockets. Wait. No, it doesn't. I lied. It's trickery. It doesn't. I'm sorry. Super cute anyway. It looks like this. It ties in the front. It's got a little ruffle in the back. Am I gonna get all like small sizes? I feel like I am. Yeah, this is a small too. So this is cute. I didn't see any flaws on that that dress that I just showed. So this is cute little top. Oh man, I suck at like holding things up. Can you guys see this? All right, so it looks like this, and we got little tassels in the front to tie. And then the back looks like this. It's like crisscrossed at the bottom. More denim, and it's distressed. See if it's my size. Is it my size? Is it my size? These are all really tiny. This is size 0. These are the Super Stretch X. Super Stretch X, size 0. They look like this. Oh, these are cute though. I wish these were my size because they got the raw hem at the bottom. Super cute. Yes, you guys, seriously, these jeans, these will be like the most comfortable jeans you've ever worn. Like, I'm not even kidding. I have so many pairs of them. And these look to be, I mean, obviously they're distressed, you know, but they look to be in like perfect, actually I lied. Hold on. Yeah, we got some stains right here. Might be able to wash them, get them out. All right, so I guess that would classify as 2 flawed items. What else we got? Is this all gonna be small sizes? I hope it's not. Size extra small. This is a soft and sexy shirt. It is soft. I don't know about sexy, but just a maroon tee, super lightweight. Again, very soft. Doesn't look to be like there are any flaws on it. More denim. Oh, these look bigger. These look to be bigger. Woo, size 2, we're moving up. So these are just the stretch skinny jeans. Look like this. Hold on. Let me check them out before I show you guys. Okay, yeah. Light wash, distressed, skinny jeans. My lighting is so bright, it's so bright. Again, distressed, but doesn't look to be any flaws. So these are super stretch midi shorts, size 4. And they're just like a khaki short. They're cuffed at the bottom. These look to be in really good condition. Ooh, this is a soft flannel shirt. This is, it says amazingly soft flannel shirt, extra small. That doesn't look, that looks a little bit bigger than extra small, but okay. I'll have measurements. This is cute and soft. I like it. It looks to be in really good condition too. This is another shirt. This is cute, size medium. This is just a short sleeve, again, super soft. Short sleeve shirt with a little peekaboo hole in the back. What are you? You are a tank top, size small. This was cute. Looking for flaws, looking for flaws. It's cute. It's like a lace detail in the front, but is it? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's very see-through. So this is a good like bathing suit cover up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, very see-through. Oh yeah. No, but this is cute for a bathing suit cover up. What the hell's that? What the hell's that? Oh, it's the tag on the inside. I'm like, what is that? My lighting, hello, hello. This is a size small little shirt. It's like, it's cropped. Yeah, this is like kind of cropped. Really cute. It's got like a lace detail, like see-through detail right here. Looks like that. It's like a creamy color. Creamy. This is a soft and sexy tee, size medium. So this is a long sleeve one with like kind of a scoop neck. No, not really. Long, it's pretty damn long. Like this brownish color. Doesn't look to have any flaws. Actually, there's a stain on the front. Yeah, there's like an oil stain, it looks like. Okay, so that's 3. More denim. I love selling denim. I do. These look to be a little bit bigger. These are size 2, slim boot. We got some boot cut jeans. The bottoms look to be in good condition. Let's see if we got any stains or any flaws. Doesn't look like it. These look good. I love selling denim. Did I tell you guys that? I think I told you guys that. But what are you? A sweater. Extra small. Olive green V-neck. Lightweight sweater. Looks to be in good condition. No flaws. What are these? Ooh, this is a big size. Okay. Airy? I thought Airy was from Aeropostale. Or Aeropostale, however you say that. Airy is American Eagle? Hold on. Oh my gosh! Okay, Vanessa, get with it. So Airy is American Eagle. I honestly thought it was Aeropostale. Okay. Or Aeropostale. How do you say that? How do you say it? Whatever. Okay, these are size extra large. These are cute. If these fit me, I would keep these. They're like a, is it denim? Yeah, it's like denim. Let's see what the real deal says. Made in Vietnam. Hold on, I'm gonna look at the other one. 88% cotton, 12% polyester. Okay, yeah, so yeah, I like a denim. These are really cute though. Man, I wish these were my size. They look like that. Super cute. Airy is that a fly? Oh no, it's just a pretend fly. Airy is American Eagle. My mind is blown right now, you guys. This is extra large. This is cute. Those shorts were like in perfect condition, no flaws. Oh, this is cute. Looks like this. It's a little flowy, doughy, flowy shirt. Looks like that on the back. Aerie again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Aerie, is Aerie their, like, I always thought that Aerie was like Aeropostale's intimate line. You know, like underwear. Is it like PJs? I don't know. This is a size medium. This is just like a white, like Oxford style shirt, but it's like super soft. Like that. It's got 3/4 length sleeves. This looks to be in good condition too. No stains or flaws. All right, what are you? This is, what the hell is this? A skirt, okay. A skirt or shorts? Shorts. Okay, these are size extra large. All right, I was confused with this, like this belt, but it's a belt. So these are just floral shorts. Really cute. No flaws that I'm seeing. Look for pictures on my Poshmark. Hopefully by the time this video is up, I will have everything listed on my Poshmark. So if you're interested, check it out down below. You are extra small. This is cute. Just like a lacy, oh, camera's totally washing it out. Did it focus? Yeah, there we go. Super see-through, like lacy, doily type shirt. This looks like a doily that my grandmother had. Looks like that. Again, in really good condition, no flaws. How many do we have with flaws? 3? Was it 3? Extra large. Okay, I'm glad that I'm getting like a mixture of sizes, like small and large. This shirt's cute. If this fit me, well, actually it's crop top. You know what? I would totally wear a crop top with my pregnant belly, okay? It's super cute. The back just looks like that. Again, no flaws that I'm seeing, but I will, you know, go over I will go over everything thoroughly when I am taking pictures and listing things, and if there were some flaws that I didn't come across, they will be listed in the description of the listing, okay? Okay. This is a size small, boyfriend fit flannel shirt, super soft. No flaws that I'm seeing on all the buttons. Looks good, super soft. American Eagle makes some soft ass clothes. Like that description? Soft ass clothes. All right, more denim. These are the super stretch size 4 jeggings. Jeggings, what did my voice just do? They look like this. No distressing. Oh, obnoxious. No distressing, just a nice dark wash. Looks like that. All right, we got more super stretch jeggings. These are also a size 4. I like the color of these. You got like this green sage. I would call it sage. Sage pants. They look to be in good condition. Dress. What are you? What's going on with these straps? What the hell is going on with these straps? Hold on, give me about 20 minutes to figure this out. Are you a shirt or what the frig is going on? I think you're like a shirt dress kind of sort of, kind of short for a dress. I don't know what this is, okay? Looks like this. This is really pretty though. Doesn't, nope, that's supposed to be like that. Looks like that, cute. I mean, yeah, it could be a dress. I don't know what that is. It's a mix between a shirt and a dress. What are these? Ooh, we have some Aerie, more Aerie. These are the leggings, Aerie leggings, size large. Let's check them out. They just look to be like black crop leggings. Look to be in pretty good condition. This is a size large. Looks like this. This is cute. The back looks like that. Really cute. Oh. Okay, I thought it was a stain. It was just a piece of fuzz. More denim. More denim. More denim. Ooh, size 8. These are just skinny jeans. Look like this. Really good condition. Guys, I'm glad none of my denim has flaws on it. Yeah, these are in really good condition. Yeah, just a dark wash, no distressing. What are you? Is this a blanket? What is this? No, so this is just a big ass sweater, size medium. It's got a pocket But yeah, it's just a big ass sweater. It's open sweater. And the last thing that we have in the box is size extra large shirty shirt that looks like this. This is pretty. It's got bell sleeves. Really pretty. That is everything that I got in my first Jomar box. Again, it was the 30-piece American Eagle resellers box. I only had 3 items that were flawed, and 3, that's only 10%, right? 3 out of 30, that's 10%. So they had originally said 15% flaw rate, but I only got 10%. So that's good. And the flaws, like, I feel like the stain on the jeans will come out. I can just snip off that little thread on the sweater, and I forgot what the third flaw was, but I'm sure it can be fixed too. So am I happy with this box? Yeah, I am. I will maybe do an update video and let you guys know how stuff sells, if stuff sells. Also be sure to check out my Poshmark closet if you're interested in anything you see here. I do offer bundling, so if you see like multiple pieces, you can put them together in a bundle and I'll give you a good discount. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will link Jomar down below if you're interested in purchasing something from them. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KEEPINITRAD. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.